Hey guys, so my compressor, it's a decent compressor, 60 gallon single stage, but it's just not up to the task for a lot of the things I've been pushing at it, including sandblasting and later on painting. And I just can't afford another compressor, but Dad has decided to hook me up with his old one. He's going to give it to me, but it's back there. So I'm going to try to work my way back there and show you what we got. Yes, believe it or not, there's a compressor back there. So try to get a couple things off at the top and see if we can get in there. Wow, this thing is old and it's a big bastard. I'll tell you. No, he told me that it supposedly was the pump was rebuilt before it was set some, I don't know, probably 30 years ago. Let's see if it turns. Yeah, it does. Well, that's a good sign. It appears to be a single stage. I thought maybe it was a two-stage, but not. I don't think so. But I could be wrong. Tell me if you guys know anything about these. What you're seeing here. It's a big tank. I mean, it's probably 100 gallons easy. Maybe 125. Down on this end, we got a good old-fashioned water valve. Peeling paint. Okay, what do we got here? Quincy compressor. Size 3.5 and 2 by 2.5. I don't know what that means. But get a record of the serial number and stuff. There's the oil fill. Got some stuff here on the side that I'm not familiar with. Air pressure gauge with a line that goes up to this thing. Maybe it's a bleed off valve or something. Yeah, there's a pressure relief valve right there. Central air compressor, it says on the gauge, goes up to 200. That is a big motor. Holy crap. I'm going to see if I can get over to the other side. I got to move a couple things and hopefully not scratch Dad's Mustang, so come right back at you. Alright, got it from the other side now. That is a big bastard. That's going to be fun to carry. Wow, that motor is huge. I want to make sure I got the electrical covered. Wagner. Um, 2 horsepower. 175 RPM. 110 volts? No way. 24.8 amps. Wow. Does a lot of amperage. 220 volts, 12.4 amps. So I can run on 110 or 220. And then it's got the wiring diagram there on the bottom. So there's a electrical box and then another electrical box. I can't really get in there real well right now, but I'll get that all figured out. But I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is it worth trying? It's old. It's not, it's not seized up. So if it really was rebuilt, then it might work better than mine. as big as that tank is. And hell, if the pump is bad and the motor's bad, you know, or something, maybe I'll just take it home and use it as a additional tank, you know. Alright guys, well, that's the compressor. I'm not going to be able to get it out of here till spring, so more to come, but let me know what you think. And you guys that know a lot about compressors, tell me what you know about that pump. Looks like a single stage to me. It doesn't look like anything special, but you know, those cooling fins and stuff, it's a pretty neat old unit. So, and you know, it appears it was a shop compressor, you know, it probably ran a whole mechanic shop, so. Alright, give me your feedback. Thanks.